reasons why the Nescafe Dolce Gusto is perfect for university students. Hi, I'm Julie and I bought a model of this coffee maker for each of my daughters for university. The first thing I like about it is really light to transport, so it's great when you're taking them in the car when you're dropping them back off in university. And as you can see, it's really small and compact, so it's not going to infringe on anybody in the university kitchen when they're in a shared kitchen. The second reason I love it is because it's easy to use, so you can either use it for a longer drink, like if you're doing an iced latte, or whether they're doing a hot latte, and then you can easily adapt it then. So if you wanted a shorter drink, you can either do it to coffee like that, or you can do it even higher if you were doing an espresso. The chances are your child, I'm guessing, is going to want one of the bottom settings. Okay, and it's very easy to clean. I'll add that into this as well. It's easy to use and it's easy to clean. I've made videos on how to use it properly, but see, that's all you've got to clean on this. So students haven't even got to be worried, and then to the ledge there's got a bit dirty. So they haven't even got to worry about cleaning it. So it's easy to transport, store and clean as well as using. If you want to see my video on how to use it, I've made a few other videos in depth how to use it. So that's it's easy to transport, number one. It's easy to use and clean is number two. And number three is you can have a coffee shop in their university to calm their anxiety at a fraction of the cost. Let me give you an example. These Costa pods I buy, there's 10 in a pack, and at the moment in Tesco's, I believe they're about the £3.40 mark. And just one pod, then you've got 10 drinks for £3. Let's just say it's even £3.50, that's 35 pence a cup. You've also got the Dolce Gusto brand, and you can also use the Starbucks brand as well. The Dolce Gusto have got Starbucks brand because my daughters love Starbucks. So there's quite a range of Starbucks ones they can use as well, including, if you see, there's Americano there. And my daughter uses that to make iced lattes because she can then add her almond milk. But as you can see, you can also get almond milk versions as well for anybody that's got milk intolerance. So I hope that's helped on why this is a perfect purchase for your children in university, because it gives them a taste from home as well. And my children suffer with anxiety, so this has been a perfect addition to the university accommodation. I'll pop a link into the comments in case you're interested in buying one, because they are very affordable, I think. They're $49.99, and I say once you purchase it, then you soon get your money back on what they're not paying in the traditional coffee shops. I'll pop my link in the comments, but just want to be transparent. It is an affiliate link, so if you click on my link to purchase your product, it'll cost you exactly the same amount, but there is a chance that the product owner could pay me a small commission for referring you to the coffee machine and giving a review of it. Okay, so that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tips on struggling mums who are looking for ways to save time and money.